Okay, hello. I'm here on this dishwasher. The circulation pump, it doesn't splash the water, and now I'm going to replace this. This is the new one, and this is the old one. And I need to remove this cover from here, and also the clamp from there. I need to remove that also. See, that's the old one, and this is the new one. Okay, old one, new one. Is something stuck in there, and that it doesn't let the blade turn to splash the water inside the dishwasher. Okay, okay, this is the new one, and this is the new one here, and this is the old